Good New Yorkers and all commuters around the world, welcome back to the platform. Today, myself and Lego MTA, we are starting at Grand Avenue to say goodbye to Metrocard with a food event from pizzas to cakes to even ice creams. We're going to travel across the city and we're going to enjoy ourselves.
Yep, we're going to enjoy the last Metrocard meal before the Metrocard started to phase out, being replaced by the Omni system for entering the turnstiles for the New York Transit Authority.
Lego MTA and I started off at Grant Avenue on the A line, heading first to Howard Beach JFK Airport Station to see the Metrocard machines for the last time. We then headed to Lexington Avenue 53rd Street station on the E train to visit the stretch pizza shop inside the thru. Look, it tastes very nice. It doesn't have a Metrocard color to most of the scheme of it, but it's called a Metro, the pizza. So what is the first assessment?
Well, you see, so when I tried to taste the pizza, although it was made of a consist of vodka sauce as well as some bit of spice as well, but it's not too much. It's perfectly balanced, and the taste of it is pretty crunchy as well.
And those people who are concerned about the word vodka sauce, I can be very, very happy to tell you it's just a sprinkle. And there's a sprinkle of basil, and of course you got the battered chicken as well, crumbed and battered. So overall, the mixture is very nice. In fact, you should also try some other pizzas along with it. And I've heard that the Metro pizza at the Hughes is beloved by many regular customers. After getting our lunch sorted, we grabbed some tea at Gongcha via the N train at 49th Street. The tea is called the MTA drink, but does it have any Metrocard colors in it? So the color of it, well, the logo part certainly looks like the Metrocard color, but not the one in the middle.
Yeah, you can see like in the middle, at first glance, it looks very weird at first, but when it comes to tasting the Metrocard drink, or MTA drink as according to the menu, it's not that bad, to be honest. You can feel a little pinch of tea, but the taste gets stronger as it comes out through the mouth.
Yes, and you can only taste that. You pay attention, especially when it's about to leave your tongue and goes into your tummy. That's when that specific taste comes out. So there's a tea taste there, there's a cha taste there. Having said that though, our recommendation, and my personal recommendation always, don't get too sugary. If it gets too sugary, if you get 100% sugar, which you can choose that, it certainly lost the point. So I always choose either 30%, max is 50%. That's my personal recommendations to you. We then crossed to the other side of the block to try the Metrocard ice creams from Carvel. From the ice cream sandwich to the traditional cone, time for some brain freeze from eating something cold in winter. Oh man, that's just sugar right here and there and everywhere. We've got to walk it off somehow. Having said that though, plenty of projects on the subway spotting that will just do it just right. Now, on this side of the front, you ordered your ice cream cone. You haven't finished it yet, but tell me what you think about it.
It's really good so far. And it's a medium ice cream, which I would expect it wouldn't be so bad, but it looked like they put a lot though. And especially when eating ice cream in a cold, wintry season though, it just makes you feel colder. But then again, the theme really matched up with the blue and yellow sprinkles to the Metrocard though. It is a very good farewell though.
It certainly is, and I ordered a flying saucer. Now, it's just eating ice cream during winter. It's not a good idea. It certainly gives you brain freeze. But having said that though, for the visual effects, we did pretty well. Lego MTA made the stop motion out of it. My assessment, I really enjoyed it. Although I didn't finish it yet, I'll take it slowly.
It really did. Just quite a fast journey, and the day went pretty by fast. Despite that, we went to a lot of places over the whole day. But then again, farewell to Metrocard. It has been a great job of serving the Transit Authority, and this is a great farewell with all these collabs. And what are you guys' thoughts about the collab of these Metrocard appetizers and food?
I'll definitely leave some comments below, and of course we just have to declare, so after all the pizzas, the cha, the ice cream and all the sugars will leave you here in Manhattan. We're doing this for fun between me and Lego MTA, just to declare this is just a collab between us. And that's apparently it. So Lego MTA, it's great to hang out with you again. and across the journey, we'll do more.
Yeah, we'll definitely do more. I'm looking forward to what other collabs we have during our journey through the MTA Transit Authority as well. So there's more to come by for future content that holds between the both of us when we do more collabs.
Until next time, see you at the platform, fellas.
See you next time. Peace.